हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक विथ न्यू वीडियो ऑन जावा प्रोग्राम। तो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने जावा कोड एग्जीक्यूशन प्रोसेस एंड सेटअप कंप्लीट किया था। इस वीडियो में हम बेसिक्स ऑफ जावा, दैट इज व्हाट इज क्लास, वेरिएबल, हाउ टू डिक्लेयर वेरिएबल एंड डेटा टाइप्स इन जावा लर्न करेंगे। उसमें से फर्स्ट पॉइंट, क्लास। व्हाट इज क्लास? क्लास इज अ template where we can declare variable and methods, also define their behavior. That is, a class is set of variables and methods. For better understanding, open STS IDE. यहाँ पर हम एक जावा क्लास क्रिएट करके देखें। For that, we have to create Java project first. Click on File, New, Java project. Give name first, project. Click on Next. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट हुआ है। क्लिक ऑन फिनिश। You can see here our project is created. Extend the project. We always create class under SRC folder. For that, right click on SRC, New, then Class. आपके सामने एक विंडोज आएगी, वहां पर आप देख सकते हैं SRC folder means the URL where we are going to create the class. You can change the location, but we are only create Java class under SRC. So keep it as it is. Then you can also give the package name, but we are not giving. Keep it as at default. Then give name to the class. My class. Remember one point, class name is always right in Pascal case. What is mean by Pascal case? Pascal case means initial of each word is capital. That is class name, like that. Okay? And the second point, that is method name is always declared like camel case. Means first initial is always written in lowercase. That is method name, like that. Okay? Then give class name and then click on finish. Here you can see my class is created. Second point is variable. What is meant by variable? Variable is a container where we store data. Variable is a container where we store the data or a different form of data. First point, how to declare a variable. Here you can see in the class we will declare a variable. First, give the data type of that variable and then variable name, then semicolon. What is data type? Data type हम देखेंगे नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट। पहले हम हाउ टू डिक्लेयर वेरिएबल नेम ये क्लियर करेंगे। उसके लिए फॉर एग्जांपल देती हूँ, जावा में इंटीजर डेटा टाइप है, मैं वो लेके आपको एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करके बताती हूँ। राइट इन देन वेरिएबल नेम। वेरिएबल नेम हम अलग अलग टाइप में डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं। जैसे फर्स्ट टाइप, इट इज ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद कैरेक्टर और अंडरस्कोर, बट हम न्यूमेरिक से कभी भी वेरिएबल नेम स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते। दैट इज var in underscore var, like that, and in 1 2 3 var. दिस इज द रॉन्ग वे। हम ऐसे वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर नहीं कर सकते। आइदर हम वेरिएबल नेम के बाद इंटीजर दे सकते, दैट इज 1 2 3. These are the three way to declare variable in var underscore name. These are the way we can declare the variable. Third point is data type. There are mainly two types of data types in Java. That is, first one primitive and second one is non-primitive. In the primitive data type, integer, then character, that is char, then boolean. These types of data type includes. In the non-primitive data type, that is the set of the items or variables included, that is array, string, list. These types of data included. First we will see the primitive data type. For that we have declared the variable here. Okay, when we declare integer type of variable, we can store the integer data in this variable. अब हम देखते हैं variable में data कैसे store होता है. First we'll take that first integer int var. How to initialize it, that is var is equals to 10. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कोई भी एरर नहीं दिया है क्योंकि हमने इंटीजर वैल्यू स्टोर की है, विच इज राइट. अगर हमने इंटीजर वेरिएबल में स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू स्टोर करने के लिए ट्राई किया, आप देख सकते ए बी सी, यहाँ पर एरर दिया है, दैट इज abc cannot be resolved to the variable, means abc is a string or character, right? For that we'll give the data type string. Again it gives error cause string always write in double quotes. Third one is float. For declaring the float variable, we have to declare data type float. Float where third one is boolean. Boolean एक ऐसा data type है जहाँ पर सिर्फ yes or no, that is true or false, ये दो values ही hold करता है. If we declare variable as type boolean, that is boolean flag, here you can see we will give its value as true. Okay, if we try to give another value, that is x, y, z, it will throw the error cause it only accept a boolean value, that is true or false. Then we will see the float. Float means the pointer values, that is 1.1, 1.2, etc. How to declare it? Okay, declare a variable as type float var2, then 1.1, give the semicolon. It will give error cause it recognize type n f to the value. Then it will recognize as it is a float, that is f. For long, var4 is equals to 10, give the semicolon. For that it also takes the, it start with 1, so it does not throwing error, but 1, try this, then it will give the error cause it is out of range, so give the L. Okay, we can see the type, which type of variable it is. Okay, for that one function of Java is available, that is we will print the data type of the variable var3. For that system dot, अब हम वेरिएबल 3 का डेटा टाइप क्या है वो चेक करेंगे. उसके लिए in system.out.println we will type the variable as data type of, okay, प्लस. तो यहाँ पर हमको एरर आ रहा है इसलिए क्योंकि हमने मेन मेथड नहीं लिखे. एज यू नो प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूशन इज ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम मेन मेथड, सो write the main method, that is public static void main. String args. Okay, then complete the curly braces. We would like to know data types of variable 3. उसके लिए type var3 dot then in the Java one method is there, that is get class. Get class methods give the data type of class of the variable, base class of the variable. Then we will run the program. Right click on project, then run as Java application. Okay, so you can see here the data type of variable is of string type variable. This is how you can check the data type of the variables. Data type of variable integer. Okay, for that we have to declare the string first, cause data type class is always stored in the string. Okay, string class name, type is integer, so integer dot. There is one function value of int I. So we have to give the variable name, that is var. Then dot. Then again get class. Okay. Dot get name. Use the semicolon, and you can print data type here by printing the class name variable. Save the project and then rerun it. Here you can see the class of the variable or data type of the variable var is integer. I hope you guys all understand the concept. For such a video, visit our channel.